Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the latest studio of our renovation portfolio. So, this is a 450 square foot studio apartment located in Lakeview, GLT. This is the latest edition of our portfolio, and this is something that we just completed. We started this project about a month ago. Now, where did this project start? So, first we got the whole thing, as you can see in this video. Took out the kitchen, took out the bathroom, redid the floors, paint, cupboard. The finer details that you guys often won't realize is we did the ceiling. We took out the gypsum board, made it nice and level, so we get a natural two-heighted ceiling. So what was the timeline? So in week one, we did the gut. We took out the kitchen, took out the bathroom. Then we proceeded on to do the main foundational works, which means choosing all of your points for the sockets, for the switches, for the MEP, for all your electrical points, choosing the new lighting positions, choosing all of the finer details. In the bathroom, if you come and follow me, we did everything. We took out the tiles, we took out the toilet, we took out the shower, we took out the vanity, we got the whole thing because it was terrible. There was no space to move around. The design was awful. So what did we do? We got brand new tiles, brand new toilet, brand new shower mixer, brand new vanity, brand new mirror, an absolute amazing job, I think. So we put in this new kitchen. Looks great. All the appliances. You got a nice washer dryer. You got a good oven. You got microwave. You got everything. Your extractor. Integrated fridge freezer, which is a nice little thing that I think our tenants will appreciate, which looks great. We also thought about the small things. So when you're in this space over here, you ain't got much space to work with, but we managed to put in open drawers, up and down. The finishing is perfect. New countertops, everything, integrated hob, integrated appliances. Then we finished this cupboard over here, made it white. It was gray in the past, or brown in the past. New handles. As you can see, we did the brand new switches and sockets. We did the gray, dark gray on the left, light gray on the right, and then the brand new floor. So this took a lot. We had to self-level the whole thing with cement, which was a process, and then we had to let that dry and then install this brand new beautiful floor, so it's absolutely perfect. Final fixtures and finishings were just curtains and the glass in the bathroom, but now it's absolutely pristine and it's ready to be rented. So if you're interested, give us a DM. If you'd like to get a renovation in your property, let us know. We've done multiple things. We've done Lakeview GLT, done Lake Terrace GLT, we've done Algoslan Greens, we're in the works of doing Ram. We've got projects in Jumeirah Park going on, and many more things to come for you guys. So reach out to us if you need a renovation, you reach out to us if you need support, advice. We're always here to help, and enjoy the video.
Yeah, trendsetter, whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center, hit it dead center. Bullseye, hit it the most, there's no misses. Something like fish in a barrel, it's no different. Blindfold on me, I still got the most vision. Trendsetter told them before, but they don't listen.